During a catastrophic compressor failure, small abrasive material can be distributed throughout the entire AC system. That is why it's important to remember that every inch of the refrigerant path be either new or flushed before replacing the compressor. Always replace the orifice tube and accumulator or filter dryer. Inspect the TXV and replace if contamination is found. Hose assemblies with inline filters or mufflers cannot be flushed and therefore should always be replaced. Other types of hose assemblies should be inspected internally and externally for cracks, barrier softness, and loose or embedded particles. Always check the crimp connections as well. Over time, loss of elasticity may cause small leaks at the hose crimp, resulting in low refrigerant charge, starving the compressor of lubrication, and leading to compressor failure.